Welcome back to Animal World. In today's exciting episode, we're venturing into one of the most fascinating, yet deadly ecosystems on the planet, the Amazon rainforest. And right at the heart of this rich and diverse environment lies one of the most industrious and deadly creatures, the leafcutter ants. These tiny, yet highly organized insects are not only masters of the forest floor but also formidable creatures with remarkable strategies for survival. Buckle up as we explore the deadly world of leafcutter ants in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, the kingdom of diversity. The Amazon rainforest is known as the lungs of the earth, producing about 20% of the world's oxygen. This vast jungle, spanning across 9 countries, is home to millions of species of animals, plants, fungi, and microorganisms. From the towering trees to the dense underbrush, every corner of the forest is teeming with life. One of the most fascinating creatures in the Amazon is the leafcutter ant. These ants are not just another species of insect, they are some of the most successful and deadly animals in the rainforest. So, what makes them so special? Meet the leafcutter ants. Leafcutter ants belong to the genus Atta and Acromyrmex**, and there are more than 200 species spread across Central and South America. These ants are infamous for their leaf-cutting behavior, which is not only extraordinary but also critical to their survival. Leafcutter ants are social insects, living in large colonies that can number in the millions. These colonies are highly organized, with specialized roles for each individual ant. Worker ants are the ones responsible for cutting leaves, which they then carry back to their underground nests. But they don't just eat the leaves, they use them as a substrate to cultivate a type of fungus that is their main food source. This mutualistic relationship between the ants and the fungus is one of nature's most impressive examples of cooperation. The leaf cutting process, nature's deadly efficiency. The process of cutting leaves is a true marvel of nature. Worker ants use their powerful mandibles to slice through leaves, sometimes up to 10 times their size. They are capable of cutting entire sections of leaves off trees, which they then carry back to their nests with impressive speed. The weight of the leaves doesn't slow them down, as they work in large numbers, and each ant carries its leaf like a soldier on a mission. The leaf-cutting behavior is not just about gathering food, it is a sophisticated system of farming and survival. These ants rely on specific types of fungi, which grow on the leaves inside their underground nests. The fungus is cultivated on the leaves by the ants and serves as their primary food source. In fact, the relationship is so crucial that the ants have evolved to the point where they can no longer survive without the fungus, and the fungus cannot survive without the ants. This symbiotic relationship has created a perfect circle of life in the Amazon. But what makes the leafcutter ants so deadly? It's not just their ability to harvest and cultivate leaves. They have a fierce defense mechanism that helps protect their colonies from predators. Defending the colony, the leafcutter ants' deadly soldiers. Leafcutter ant colonies have a hierarchical structure, with specialized roles for different ants. While the workers handle the cutting and carrying of leaves, the real power lies in the soldier ants. These larger ants are tasked with defending the colony against threats, and they do so with deadly precision. Soldier ants have large, powerful jaws that they use to defend the colony from predators such as anteaters, armadillos, and even other ants. Their aggressive behavior and powerful bites make them formidable opponents, and they will stop at nothing to protect their queen and the fungus they depend on. Their defensive strategies also include the construction of elaborate tunnels and nests, which are designed to protect the precious fungus garden from environmental threats and invading species. These tunnels are carefully ventilated and regulated to maintain the right temperature and humidity for the fungus to thrive, making the ants not just skilled hunters, but also master architects. The leafcutter ants' impact on the ecosystem. Leafcutter ants play a vital role in the Amazon rainforest ecosystem. By cutting and carrying away the leaves from the forest floor, they help maintain the health of the forest by thinning the vegetation. This allows new plants to grow, creating space for other species to thrive. In a way, they are the rainforest's natural gardeners, pruning the vegetation and ensuring a balanced ecosystem. However, their impact goes beyond just vegetation. Leafcutter ants are also preyed upon by other animals, such as anteaters and birds. Their large colonies provide a constant source of food for many rainforest predators. In turn, they are part of the intricate web of life that keeps the rainforest functioning. Their survival, however, is constantly under threat from natural predators and environmental changes. Conclusion: the deadly dance of survival leafcutter ants are truly one of the most fascinating creatures in the Amazon rainforest. Their complex social structures, agricultural techniques, and deadly defense strategies make them a remarkable example of survival and cooperation in the animal kingdom. From their leaf-cutting prowess to their fungus farming techniques, these ants are an integral part of the rainforest ecosystem, balancing nature in ways that we are only beginning to understand. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey into the deadly world of leafcutter ants. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the incredible creatures that call the Amazon home, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure. And we want to hear from you. What other animals in the Amazon would you like to learn about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom together. Stay tuned for more thrilling episodes here at Animal World. Until next time, keep exploring the wild.